Do you want to add templates to your Instagram story? You can find Instagram story background template with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add templates to Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Before we dive into the video, I've added some helpful tools and app links in the description box below. Be sure to check them out after watching this video. To add templates to your Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the plus icon at the top right of your profile. A new screen will pop up. From here, select Story. Now, you'll see photos and videos of your device. At the top, you'll see different options. Tap on Templates. Here, you'll find different templates for your story. Scroll through and pick the one that works best for you. I'm going to choose this mobile device template. Once you've selected your template, you can take a picture, record a video, or upload from your device gallery. To upload, just tap on the image icon and select a picture or video from your device gallery. Look at that! Your story now has a fresh new look with the template. You can add extra touches like text, emojis, or music to personalize it even more. When you're happy with how it looks, tap your story to share it with your friends and followers. Now, all your followers will see your awesome Instagram story with a cool template.